everybody, this is the makeup tutorial for today. I used my Naked 2 palette and also some eyeshadows, an orange and a red from my Inglot Freedom System palette. Yeah, so it's kind of simple, just added some reds and you'll see in the video. So really hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't know what to say, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I don't know, have a good day. I don't know. But I'll tell you guys, no, enjoy the video. Yes, enjoy the video.
Following program is rated G for God.
Run come to me if you're tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue your soul. So run come to me, and I won't leave you alone. Listen. Me love you like cook food. You want me in and you like good food. Me want you in and me like good mood. Walking on me just like good shoes. Even on me tune, earth on me footstool. Around your neck, Lucifer put noose. And say your goose cook but the good news. I came running when Lucifer took you. And me set your hands on your foot loose. Me check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Me check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make you can't stop smile. Like with the foreign and a tax time. All in the situation a flat line. Ask Lazarus, we tell you that I'm 4 days late but me still on time. When your life chaka like ox tie. Me still love you, long time. That's right, and I came so that you might have life. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Like cook food, you want me in and you like good food. Me want you in and me like good mood. Walking on me just like good shoes. Even on me tune, earth on me footstool. Around your neck, Lucifer put noose. And say your goose cook but the good news. I came running when Lucifer took you. We set your hands and your foot loose. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Run come to me if you're tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue your soul. So run come to me if you're tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue you. To make you can't stop smile. Like in the foreign and a tax time. All in the situation a flat line. Ask Lazarus we tell you that I'm 4 days late but me still on time. When your life chaka like ox tie. Me still love you, long time. That's right, and I came so that you might have life. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, Don't come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you.
I would say the angel will come up for big up the King of all, King Jesus Christ, Him just nice, Yeah, what? Who make the thunder roll up in the sky? The star them all up in the sky. My praise I go loud up in the sky. For the man who higher than the cloud up in the sky. When me step in the boot, yeah, Christ banana me laugh. But me no soft like a ripe banana. From me pick up the microphone, me big up me Christ alone. And me no make up nice like a yam of righteousness. And me dress and me type of armor me straight. I know me no bend up like a corner solan. Wash me off and make me whiter than a snow. Till the four them say me might have honor. So, what me now go change? it like iguana. Make sure you have the wrong address like it on. Cause anything in the darkness must come out in the light. Bright like a light it on. Yeah. Hellfire hot like a sauna. When the father come you can go hide like Osama. And the harvest is great and the reapers of you. And the Lord want you to work like a farmer. Make the thunder rolling on the sky. Sorry rolling on the sky. The Most High. Yes, Jesus. Him sit higher than the clothing on the sky. Praise and go rolling on the sky for the Most High. I say Jesus. How you walk, the Lord send me. Same place him send pastor. Down in a the ghetto, figure them what them shatter. Them know see me rate them, know me they hear them. So me educate them, like Ben Carter. Him accept the living, sacrifice him children offer. Give him a life, no bother wait until the end parter. The millennium son, because when him come a straight fire. Because the last time him send water. Hey, no for them a go on like say them faster. Like the Lord hate me and I hate them brother. But the race is not for the swift, but those who endure. So me a be a permanent walker. Thunder rolling on the sky, sorry rolling on the sky, the Most High. Yes, Jesus. Him sit higher than the clothing on the sky. Praise and go rolling on the sky for the Most High. Yes, I feel Jesus. Alright, so watch the verdict. Let me show them how me big him up when me a word it. Tell them about the Lord and you walk one like you no heard it. God I give you life and if you take you no deserve it. Tell you if you big him up and you walk one like you allergic. With the word of God and me have to lose if you learn it. If you no understand, here's one nobody turn it. If God no have your life when him come back him a go burn it. And you can go hide like a hermit. The thunder rolling on the sky. Sorry rolling on the sky. The Most High. Yes, Jesus. Him sit higher than the clothing on the sky. Praise and go rolling on the sky for the Most High. Yes, I feel Jesus. Yeah, who make the thunder rolling on the sky? Start them rolling on the sky, the Most High. Yes, I feel Jesus. Him sit higher than the clothing on the sky. The praise and go rolling on the sky for Jesus. Yes, I feel
Our this father closer than a man and his barber. You know that I when me want, but you know there is a part of me that's warring against part of me like Spartans. Jesus live in water, make me smart, so me know everything else a dirty water. So me say, me nah drink that junk. If I sin, you know no can't bring that come. Me no want partake of it. Next thing me farm and save habits, and then me can't abstain from it. Pop down and get a bad name from it. Sin I want something where contain damage and you can't fix it by putting band-aid on it. Yeah, Satan want to hypnotize me, trick the ifey, start no soft for the chick beside me. Like say him want me for this me wifey. Outer road look slippery like say it is icy. This me want to know why them off your fan strictly tight jeans. I fi ask Jesus fi kick my eyelids and keep beside me. Come swiftly I need you. Lucifer want sift me like wheat, just like Peter. But my Jesus deliver me life like pizza. So the devil can't get to tell nobody outer road. Say him kick with my feet. Come and she wrote temptation and want me fi bite peace and then wash it down with a sip of Ribena. Me nah drink that chunk. If I sin none of you can't bring that come. Me no want partake of it. Next thing me farm and save habits, and then me can't abstain from it. Pop down and get a bad name from it. Sin I want something we contain damage and you can't fix it by putting band-aid on it. So me go so me nah drink that chunk. If I sin none of you can't bring that come. Me no want partake of it. Next thing me farm and save habits, and then me can't abstain from it. Pop down and get a bad name from it. Sin I want something we contain damage and you can't fix it by putting band-aid on it. Yeah, fish are half men but no take me for no bait. Bad habits easy fi make and none of them easy fi break. So me no want you fi give me no young G's if you play. Young people me completely rate him, so no give me no candies if you play. One MP3 might lead to me in the store I try fi buy them CD. Jensen Franklin, tell me frankly, say that Lucifer is a trophy hunter. No fi hunter him only comfort fi bring down somebody the Lord of use. I didn't never get up half of you until the reputation bought a bruise. Thank God say me name never call in a mix up. Me no know where Satan a mix up, but me not drink that chunk. If I sing none of you can't bring that come. Me no want partake of it. Next thing me farm and save habits, and then me can't abstain from it. Pop down and get a bad name from it. See no want something we contain damage, and you can't fix it by putting band-aid on it. So me go so me nah click that chunk. Me no want end up and slackness that come. Me no want partake of it. Next thing me farm and save habits, and then me can't abstain from it. Pop down and get a bad name from it. See no want something we contain damage, and you can't fix it by putting band-aid on it. Yeah. It's O to the R, and hopefully y'all know that it's Murphy on the track with another gospel hit track. So sick we about to do surgery on the track. Some say Gully, some say Gaza. We say God our Heavenly Father, and we no wait so till them dress we in a all black. Think about it, Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them stumble and fell and them realize that God just means go me bless. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them end up on a tree, so the glory me lead to the Lord, me no keep to myself. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them stumble and fell and them realize that God just means go me bless. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them end up on a tree, so the glory me lead to the Lord, me no keep to myself. Prepare for the coming of our God. We no deal with Gully or Gaza. Tell them a Jesus me say, and if you not like that, beat up yourself. Please don't pretend say the father not good to you. Can't pay back with the father I do for you. Like when your parents send you go shop and you don't come back, so the father I look for you. Him is like a Jamaican doctor. Him no one left you a wait at the bus stop. Him a say, me have space man a bus ya. But sometimes we stay so reluctant. Some people trust in the horse and chariot, but we trust in the Lord as foreigners and aliens. We march as warriors through dangers the Lord has carried us. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them stumble and fell and them realize that God just means me bless. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them end up on a tree, so the glory me give to the Lord, me I keep to myself. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them stumble and fell and them realize that God just means me bless. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them end up on a tree, so the glory me give to the Lord, me I keep to myself. The enemies march out in a one direction, but them gone in a several directions. Because God are the one when me depend on. But a mighty strong tower, him not get weak when him fight for 1 hour. When a man roll with Christ, him have power. That's why we able to try to love our foes. Them backbiting us and of course we elevate God like the Jamaican flag when you ice it up on a pole. We have Christ in us so that all serpent fighting us for our souls. But we tell him to back off. You are with the in and no simple at all. But glory be to the God of my salvation, I am safe from harm. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them stumble and fell and them realize that God in us means go me bless. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them end up on a tree, so the glory me give to the Lord, me no keep to myself. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them stumble and fell and them realize that God in us means go me bless. Tell them say that Jesus me say, enemies try to come meet up my flesh, but the one of them end up on a tree, so the glory me give to the Lord, me no keep to myself. Some must say Gaza, some must say Gully, but I know God, don't mean go beside. Him stick closer to me than a brother. Me without God is like self on my side. All when the enemies launching on my side, hard in a lose him sleep, not appetite. As long as God is walking on my side, none of the weapon them farm will damage I. Other thing from my side. But yes, Sir Murphy, when the soldiers of them roll out to the hard block, and the Christian warriors say call that, you see it. I will make them know say if not say Jesus, it not say nothing. You understand? SOP, DHA, big up on yourself. If it not say Christ, it not say nothing at all. Jesus will say. And if you don't like that, beat up yourself. Me gone.
Hi guys, for my lips, I am wearing Wet n Wild's Just Peachy. I didn't line them at all, I just have on Just Peachy. For my eyes, this I used the Naked 2 palette. And I used Busted right here. I used Blackout over here. I used Chopper. And I also used Half Baked. And then I used my Inklot. Like, it's like a freedom kind of a system where you can get different colors and you can just kind of build your own palette kind of a thing. So I just used a red and an orange. You just need a red and an orange. I just chose the red and orange for my Inklot palette because it was closer and it had a mirror on it, so I could actually see what I was doing. For my blush, I'm wearing MAC's Dolly Mix. And for my highlight or my glow, I'm wearing Max Double Definition Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Alright, so that's it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and if you do recreate this look on Instagram or wherever, just please hashtag your Instagram, yeah, hashtag Rochester, so that when I search that hashtag I will see you guys' stuff. And don't forget the big giveaway that Love Lux hair is having, and I'll leave that video in the description bar below. Alright, you guys, talk to you in my next video. Bye.